I'm Linda Grossman, owner of Grossman Chevrolet Nissan. I'm here with Bruce Tedman, my body shop manager. I'm just going to ask him a couple of quick questions. How do you get that exact match on the color?
We have a pretty unique paint system. Our paint system is all waterborne. It's base 90 line, which is base fix 90 line, which is a BASF product, which the factory supplies us with color chips, which gives us a variety of different shades of color, so we can come as close as possible to the factory color.
So you mix it yourselves here?
That is absolutely correct.
And it's an environmentally
Safe,
friendly, it's water-based?
Absolutely.
Okay, when did you get that?
We put that into play probably 3 to 4 months ago.
Okay, and you're happy with the quality?
So far, absolutely. Very happy with the quality.